people, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing for you guys. You can see I have a box here for you. This came from Miravia. This is one Spanish retailer, wholesaler shop where you can buy many things similar as Amazon. So I bought one sunglasses, original authentic Ray-Ban. In this case, Wayfarer, the Ray-Ban. I think the model 2140 in this case. Lovely packaging. It took 1 or 2 days to arrive. Shipping was free if you buy more than anything 60-70 euro. Shipping could be free in Spain. Okay, so without any further ado, let me cut the pack to show you. Here we go. Okay, from here at the top, cut, and this side is all block, so I'll cut as well. And from the middle, the reverse knife, if I use without damaging my product. Here we go, without cutting myself even. Here we go. So move the knife one side and let's open this pack. Wow, as you can see what I have inside, I have authentic original Ray-Ban sunglasses. The packaging is fine, wrapped with some paper for protection, for safety. Put one side, and here we go guys. Ray-Ban, pack of Ray-Ban. You see model number RB2140. Bridge I think is 50 here, 65, 77. Ray-Ban original 88 here. You see this side is closed. So I think most of the authentic Ray-Ban boxes, they are closed this side. What I know, the duplicate one, they are not as this, they are different. So in this case, let's see, because you have a lot of counterfeit. You see how it's written, the original authentic, this one. Okay, and let me take this off here. Wow, beautiful. In this case, you see how Ray-Ban is written, 100% UV protection here, the stitching, everything. Wow, beautiful quality. Let me take this off here, and inside you see. So let me take this out. Normally if this come in a plastic or wrap something, those are not original authentic. Here you see the original Ray-Ban, how they pack you. So one paper instead of plastic. Before there should be plastic, only that. Here other frame, here we go, and inside you have a pack. So Ray-Ban Wayfarer, the pack, you can see how it is. Let me take this off. And the cotton, this is Ray-Ban.com, the brand name of Ray-Ban. You can see a look sticker, something as this. You can scan this and how it is. The duplicate one, they are little bit deeper than this one. The cotton, you see how this is authentic Ray-Ban, little bit dark the color. Lovely, is a big size cotton to clean your glasses. So now let's go to this one. Wow, Ray-Ban Wayfarer authentic, beautiful. Ray-Ban written here also, you can see RB written at the corner, this one. Wow, and here the joint, one important thing, I take out the paper. Here you can see the joint, how it is. The duplicate one, they don't have this much joint, they become soft very fast. This whole last, how it is, you see, beautiful. Here more information, as you see here, this is 50, the size here 54 if I'm not wrong, model number RB2140. This size should be Wayfarer is written, you can see Wayfarer made in Italy. So this is handmade. Wow, beautiful glasses. You see, this is not a polarized version, this is classic. You see how is angle, aggressive look of Ray-Ban, classical, timeless. This one of the best glasses you can ever buy. Ray-Ban in this case, beautiful glasses. Wow, how is Ray-Ban written? Ray-Ban, this side as well. So I'm gonna put this on to show you how it looks. You can see guys how beautiful aggressive look it has, elegance. You can see the sides, also from the sides, how beautiful this one. The glass is strong, dark, everything is clear. Go closer, you can see how perfect this one. Wow. Okay guys, so this is unboxing and bit review of Ray-Ban authentic Wayfarer sunglasses. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.